So I'm going to be exploring with you at length on what we can do with the use of BAT AI. BAT AI is by Google, and this application I think is not going to be bad for us to have this, and for us to also use this as alternative to Google. And let's give it a try. So BAT, bad, not BAT, bad dot AI. I don't know why they decided to use this name. It sounds funny. Like somebody commented on Facebook, the person said bad. Okay. So bad.ai. So this is their interface, and not bad at all. I am bad, your creative and helpful collaborator. I have limited, I have limitation and won't always get it right, but your feedback will help me to improve. Okay, no problem. I'm going to help you to improve. Write some lyrics and for heartbreak anthem, this and that. No problem. So let's try. Oh, let's see. Um, let me ask the way I normally query ChatGPT, or let me look for a book, and before that book, let me ask. Okay, can you write? Okay, write me an article in Yoruba. Okay, let's try language, Yoruba title my my country. So the title of the article is my country, and we are going to give it a try. Capital and C, titled my country, and let's see what is going to come out. So I like one thing about them, although I don't like it. Okay, I am LLM trained to respond to sub languages and that. Okay, Yoruba language, your writes a story title my country. So let's see what is going to pop up right now. I think based on what's written before, I did not really let me see. I think results should come out now. Let's see whether yes, they actually bad can actually work with us in terms of language. So language is sure with bad. So okay, write it out in Igbo. Okay, let's see Igbo, and let's see. But I think bad is somehow slow. I'm still working on. Okay, Igbo language of Nigeria. Language of Nigeria. I think based on language, it should be good at language. As a model, I'm not able to assist you with that. Oh, okay. So for language, I think they have little limits in terms of language. Let me check ChatGPT. That same question, can we ask ChatGPT and we get a very straight response? Is that possible? I think that's possible. So if we try to put them together, let me deactivate this plugin. I have a lot of plugin attached to my ChatGPT, and their major aim is to help anything I do. Remove from Chrome. This interface is different. The essence of this for me to get ideas or prompts, ways for me to ask ChatGPT questions, and I'm sure if you if you're around me, you should be able to learn a lot of that. I'll be using 3.5. Let me ask that same question. Write write a story in Yoruba language. Write a story in Yoruba language. Okay. ChatGPT actually respond very well to some of these, and I think ChatGPT is still trying. ChatGPT is still trying for now. For now, I'm still going to rate ChatGPT a little bit higher. Although the only thing I like about BAD is the fact that you can use it to get current affairs, like immediate things that are actually happening right now all over the world. So anything happening all over the world right now, I can use my ChatGPT, get everything, and I'm going to be fine. So this is not going to be bad. The first thing, so let's move again. And I also don't like another thing about this. Recent, I can't get any of my recent charts. I don't know. Maybe they are still trying to work on this. No recent charts. No recent chart. That's not good at all. For my chat GPT, a lot of things over here, a lot of my recent chart, and I use them often for what I do. What about rewriting? Can you or let me use this method, the method of querying my CV. So let me look for my CV. I'm going to get my CV, then I will query my CV and see what ChatGPT can get me if I can try to query my CV. So, and sometimes there are so many tricks to be able to use some of these artificial intelligence stuff. You have to just to be, extremely curious about different ways of, sometimes it even be giving you a headache. But let me see whether okay, have my CV over here. I open. Uh, okay, good. So this is my CV. I copy everything, copy. Then I go back to BAD. Let me start from my friend. Restart. Okay. Stop around here. Okay. So this is my CV, and let me see what is going to happen. So BAD is loading everything about my CV, and let's see what is going to say about me. Okay, Adetola Ebenezer Israel has a wide range of educational experience with degree in arts, this and that. Okay, can you use this? Can you use this to rewrite my CV in to apply as a head of school? Okay, so let me see. ChatGPT can actually do this. Yes, sure, I'm sure of that. But let me see also how bad can also okay. Can you use this to rewrite my CV? Okay, this same thing that we actually practical. That's why. Let's go back to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, come and do wonder. Okay, I place my CV, everything done. Okay, I'm sorry I can't assist you with the request. Why? Is it because it's too long? Maybe because the statements are somehow very long. So submit. Okay, so it's rewriting my CV out right now, writing all my experience, writing everything I've done, professional development, this and that. Okay, so now let's copy out this same statement I asked over here. Use my CV to, okay, rewrite my CV as I will be applying as head of school. Can ChatGPT rewrite? Okay, yeah, dedicated this and that, fast. Telling me, I know you rewrite my CV. It's telling me, it's giving me another option. Now let me now say, use my CV. Use my CV as I will be applying. Okay, now it's using my CV. So it's now writing everything I know and bringing everything together. Okay, so sometimes it's just all about how you write those prompts. I'm still not good at prompts. I'm still learning. But I think the more, let me now as use my CV as I will be applying as head of school. So this time, yep. Okay, here's the sample of template. This is a template. It's not really giving me a lot of what's it called? It's giving me just a template on how I can create a standard curriculum to be able to a standard CV to be able to apply as head of school. So this is not bad. This just like querying right now. Can you tell me what I need to work on personally using my CV? So let me see. The question sound funny. Okay, he said I should work on leadership. I go back to bad. Let me see bad. Bad. What do you think I need to work on? So Google tried. I think they tried a lot, but the only thing I'm not seeing over here is the fact that it's not still responding. Okay, make sure your CV is up to date. This means including all the recent works, this and that. But this one is personalizing it. I can see it is personalizing it. This is still writing it as if I am asking for help from google.com. You know this google.com of a thing whereby you search, give me a template of how to write an article or how to do this or a breakdown on how to do this. But this one is giving me a direct answer. I should work on my leadership skill, okay? I should work on strategic planning, okay? As head of school, this and that. I should work on educational, what's it called, leadership and management, professional development, and more. So I think, based on my own opinion for now, I'm still going to go for ChatGPT. Maybe because I'm overused to ChatGPT. So well, I'm still going to make more videos. We explore together, we learn together, and we'll see how some of these tools can be of help to us. So thank you very much for exploring with me. I really appreciate it. So give it a try. Look for ways you can use this, and I'm sure endless possibilities at the end of the day. Thank you. We explore more.